Welcome to this moment, to our breath. Find where you are in your body. Ground yourself to the earth. Feel your connection onto the earth, where you are right now. So feeling that grounding in the earth, you can notice if you're being pulled up to the sky. As my hair is demonstrating my connection to the heavens. A physical manifestation of my connection with the world and how it has this, I'm between heaven and earth. As we all are. Take this moment to feel that it's not a concept. It's not a belief. It's something you experience or not experience. So being open to feel now your hands on your hammock, your cushion, the sand on the beach. And feel your eyes going up to the heavens, allowing the starlight to come into your entire being. For the sunlight, for those that are in the sun right now, to warm you and enter your heart like all the love you ever imagined, you ever wanted or identified with as who you are. So as we explored yesterday, being able to receive is interconnected with being able to serve the world, right? Be able to receive from the world. And honoring what our true nature is, with that, identifying with that as who we truly are. So our true nature is something we've accumulated for possibly generations, if you have my belief system. Maybe even across, solar systems, galaxies. We are this moment of stardust. We have a connection with the causes and the conditions of the world. And then we have our true nature. Something bigger, something more vast than even this collection of experiences. This collection of movement from this our nature. I guess that's what I called it in the introduction, our true nature. This is the substance that we're made out of, the experiences that we've had in this life and many others that have accumulated to make us who we are in this moment, in this breath. So take another breath in and notice who you are as far as your nature, in that all that it's created, in any identity that we might have. And honor that, because that's there. That's important to honor. I would never suggest not loving that, looking at that, or as an expression I seem to commonly use, I would never suggest you throwing that under the bus. That is to be loved, to be treasured, and not identified with as who we truly are. So let yourself be held by something bigger. You can call it love, you can call it the divine. For me, it's about the experience. If you're using the word for the experience, and it only points to it, as a wise Japanese poet said, as many people say over and over again. It's not the word is not the experience. Don't confuse it for that. Feel it in your body. We have something that makes us tick, makes us respond to some things, not respond to others. And we have love. I'll call it love. I call it a warmth, a trust, a connection with all beings. A connection with the energy, the source of the cosmos, maybe. I don't know. The more words I use, the less I'm in contact with it. So I'm just letting the energy expand, much less this, right? This expanding energy coming from my head, from the earth. And then again, not identifying with these schedules, with these jobs. That's yes, and open yourself up to a non-identity. You know, there's this emptiness of a solid self, I guess that's what I can experience at times when I hear those words or I say them. No connection with this like intensity in which we hold on to this identity, and the paradox of yes, and it's here. I can honor it. I can honor what I'm drawn to, what I do, what I seem to be, and then connect with a much larger. I mean, even the word larger doesn't say it, because it's just a different channel. If you like the radio station, it's tuning into an energy that's quite hard to describe. And I'm going to let you describe it in every way you want. If you don't know what I mean, I'm not sure the words I'm saying are going to point you to it. And the idea of this meditation is to love our true nature and then be open to loving ourselves beyond how we identify as who we are in this lifetime. And wish it for our beloved ones as we sit with them, as they drink coffee and go about describing their world and just loving them in their world, and wanting them to be, not caught up in too much. I mean, we have our life to live, our curriculum to live, and to hold them both. This is us, and it is not who I truly am. Both at the same time. And wanting that for our loved ones, and wanting that for people we don't even know. And all we can do is just, these people that do things for us and are trying so hard to live their lives in relationship to us. Whether they're giving us a cup of coffee or whether they're emailing us about something that in the overall scheme of things is not all that important. That's just my opinion. And then these neutral people that we don't know very well. And then wanting it for people that trigger us who are not so neutral. And then starting knowing that they're actually pointing to something that's in us and taking care of that with love and care and tenderness. And then opening up to all beings, wanting this sense of trust and care for what we might define as our true nature, or whatever identity we have, of like, this is how I am and this is how other people are. It's important. It's important to honor that. And if you can honor it yourself, you're much more likely to honor it in others. And play well with them. And then hope this practice benefits all beings. Thank you so much. Thanks for joining us.